Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video series, I'll be going through different web application development concepts and cover as much as I can in less than 3 minutes. In today's topic, we will be going through some basic introduction to Django. So let's get started. Django is a high-level open source web framework for building web applications written in Python programming language. Some of the key features include: the first one is MVT pattern, which stands for model, view and template. Model is responsible for interacting with the database. In view, we write all the logic of the application, and then which interacts with models and finally returns a response. And in the template, we render all the HTML and we display those data to the user. We can compare MVT pattern with the MVC pattern as well, which stands for model, view and controller. Model is same in these both patterns. In MVT pattern, we define all the logic in the views, but in MVC pattern, we define it in controller. In MVT pattern, all the HTML code is written inside the template, but in MVC pattern, we write it in view. So that's the similarities and difference between MVT and MVC pattern. Moving on to the next key feature, which is ORM. Django includes a powerful ORM that allows developers to write all those queries using Python code instead of writing SQL queries. So you can see the difference between the Python code and the SQL query over here. Another key feature is URL routing. In Django, we can use a flexible routing system which allows developers to map URLs to specific views. So this is one of the example of URL, how the URL is handled in Django. As you can see here in the first route, that's the home page, right? And then we are calling the home method inside the views. And similarly for about route, we're calling about method inside the views file. So that's how routing is done in Django. The another key feature is scalability and flexibility. Django is designed to handle both small and large scale applications, and is very popular for its scalability as well. The another key feature is the admin interface. Django automatically generates an admin interface from the models, which saves a lot of time because you don't need to manually write code for admin interface. It just does it automatically for you. And the last one is REST framework. Django can be extended with the Django REST framework to create RESTful web APIs, and those APIs could be consumed by different front-end applications or mobile applications. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you on the next one.